Hello students, in this video we are going to see an experiment about preparation of colloidal solution of starch. Colloidal solution of starch is a lyophilic sol in which water is in the dispersion medium. So here goes the experiment. First of all, we will see what are the materials required for this experiment. Materials required are electronic balance, starch, butter paper, dropper, spatula, glass rod, mortar and pestle, distilled water, beakers, Bunsen burner, wire gauze, tripod stand, funnel, conical flask and iron stand. Now let us see what is the procedure of this experiment. First of all, 1 gram of starch is weighed on a butter paper using electronic balance. Then this weighed starch is transferred to a mortar in which few drops of distilled water are added, and this mixture is grinded by the pestle to a smooth paste. The paste is then transferred to a small beaker. It should be noted that the paste should be absolutely smooth. Then 100 milliliter of distilled water is boiled in a beaker. When water starts boiling, then this paste is added to the boiling water in a thin stream with continuous stirring by using the glass rod. It is boiled for 10 minutes and allowed to cool. And once it is cooled, it is filtered using a filter paper. While filtering, glass rod is used and the paste is poured on the glass rod, and here we get the starch sol. Now in this experiment we have to take some precautions, like all the apparatus used should be properly cleaned and dry, and it should be noted that we have to use only distilled water, and while adding the paste to the boiling water, it should be in very thin stream and continuous stirring is required for the uniform mixing of the paste and water, and it is boiled to enhance the preparation. Thank you.